Yo guys, how you doing today? I hope so you're keeping well. It's second day when it's rainy in Bali again. Actually full afternoon yesterday and today a little bit lighter. I just arrived to Nusa Dua. I want to show you a little bit how is the life going on here in Nusa Dua during the rain. Even some people are sunbathing actually during the rain. So you never know what you can expect in the places like this one. Not so many people probably. And later we're gonna move to Bali collection if they're gonna let me in. I hope so they're gonna let me in. All right, so this is like a public beach over here, and I'm gonna walk into direction of hotels. Want to show you at least 3-4 hotels in this complex. I think there are 8 together. Also you can have here some water sports activities and rent a sunbed. This is public access, so actually anyone can come here. You don't need to stay in the hotels around. This is the Merusaka hotel. Some people are here, but not so many. I also wonder, what do you do, guys, if you are in Bali right now or in the situation, in the weather like this one? What do you do? You are going somewhere for the trip, or you are just going to the restaurant, or maybe you are just staying in the hotel and enjoying your time, or sleeping, or maybe you are swimming. Let me know in the comment section, what do you do? Currently very quiet look like, but it's getting brighter and brighter. There is some family enjoying their time in the swimming pool during the rain, but overall hotel looks like it's deserted. Actually Nusa Dua look like it's more quiet right now, maybe because of weather, but overall more quiet than it was during the pandemic times. This is already property of the Hyatt hotel. It's been a while actually when I was last time filming in Nusa Dua, so consider this as the little update from Nusa Dua BTDC complex for everyone who are interested of this place, this part of Bali, because I know some of you actually are very interested about Nusa Dua. And this is Grand Hyatt Hotel, swimming pool, and overall situation itself also not so much is going on, but well, I don't know, actually this is because of the weather most likely, or maybe because currently it's just very quiet in Nusa Dua. Actually after the pandemic times it's also quiet all the time, because I don't know, guys, if you know or not, but Nusa Dua was a very successful place in Bali before pandemic times, especially for the many tour organizers, the big tour companies. They sending their guests here to Nusa Dua, but currently many of these companies not exist or not operating fully because of it's still pretty complicated for them. So most likely individuals only staying in the hotels like this one. This is the Grand Hyatt. Behind me now I'm gonna go to Melia and the luxury collection. I'm just going to the beach because I realized the bulldozer is driving around here, and I'm just curious what's going on here. I don't know, this is sorta cleaning, or maybe they fixing actually the Pirates Bay. I'm gonna go there now. Happy days, the rain is finished just now when I'm walking to another part of Nusa Dua, and some of the parts over here are open already, having a restaurant, but the coast doesn't look very optimistic, and there are construction. Also G20 is coming literally next 3.5 weeks from now, so I think everything will be beautiful before that and after that, of course, but not so many people, but then cool music. So yeah, the promenade next to the bay, abandoned bay actually, and Pirates Bay, which is at the front, is under the construction. It was like broken for the last 1.5 year, 2 years actually, at the beginning of pandemic, and then they are fixing it. So next time when you come to Bali, probably, like I said, next month will be already beautiful. So the construction is ongoing. Unfortunately, from Pirates Bay seems like nothing really. I mean, this doesn't look really optimistic over here, and Pirates Bay probably is just the memory, guys. I mean, definitely it's just the memory. Only the sign is nicely, proudly here, but definitely nothing is here. Nothing. Where's the construction? Some tourists, but that's only what left, and nothing will ever change, I think. definitely not soon, not today, not tomorrow. And then we have Amelia Bali, pretty nice hotel and definitely my favorite one in this part of Bali. I stayed only once here, but it was very nice. But also very nice access to the beach, the seating area, the gazebos, all of the decor, and overall hotel is pretty cool. Little temple here and also very nice bar and the restaurants here. This hotel is very popular for the all-inclusive options. I never had opportunity to be here on the all-inclusive. However, the customer of the restaurant and the guest staying in the hotel once during the pandemic times. And also, as you can see, it's definitely the busiest hotel here in Nusa Dua. Even the rain was here. Definitely many people enjoying their time and it's pretty busy here actually. So happy days. Also very nice place to be. Nusa Dua, if you like vibes like this one, of course, because this is like typical resort for enjoying the holidays. And of course, to comparing to different hotels what I passed just today, definitely this one is the busiest one. So yeah, let me know which hotel is favorite for you, or maybe you just simply don't like to be here, or maybe this one or maybe other one. There's also another hotels like Luxury Collection by Marriott, the Sofitel and few others, but now I'm gonna move to what is it called? Bali Collection. Let's see if they're gonna let me in and what is there. So this is the road next to the Bali Collection. Unfortunately, Bali Collection from one entrance here is under the construction, under the refurbishment. So I don't think so. If this part of Bali Collection is like this one, I don't think so. Anything is inside, probably like that last time, Starbucks and maybe something is open. But after that, not that much is happening. So I think I'm gonna give the pass today. For the exchange, I'm gonna show you a little bit around the Bali Collection, Bali Nusa Dua BTDC closed complex. How does it look like? Because maybe some of you didn't know, never been here. Basically, it's like a closed complex where you have around 10 5-star hotels around. So it's everything looks very nice, very modern. This project was finished in 1990s. Also, this is the other entrance to Bali Collection actually, where they said you can come here, but you know, I'm not sure if you can see many shops open, because even here, check this out, everything is under the renovation actually, and I see deep inside shops are closed, the same like it was during the pandemic. So probably only Sojo and maybe Starbucks is open, but doesn't look much optimistic. I think they're gonna refurbish everything for the G20. Check this out, like this one. Definitely you see deep inside most of the shops are still closed, guys. So everything probably is gonna be open very soon after G20 next year. Like I already said once, my predictions are as everything will back, kinda back next year, the earliest one. And this is also the entrance to the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Nusa Dua. Everywhere you can see the signs of G20, and the hotels of course are open all the time. And this is the main roundabout in BTDC Nusa Dua. Fountains are open again, I mean they're running, so everything looks like this one here. Pretty nice place for holidays, if you in case you would like to have a proper resort holidays. And this is the entrance exit from BTDC entrance to the Nusa Dua town.